Hello again. Surprisingly, I'm still calm, even though Iblis took too long. Oh yeah, I gotta buy another move. The bounce bracelet. I need it just to get to the next stage. You see how many lives I got, right? This upcoming stage is one of the ones I truly hate. Okay. The radical train. You actually need a bounce bracelet at a part of it, which is not a good place to even try to test that one. And you're gonna see why. Cause you're gonna be too busy moving frantically so you won't let the train blow up. And the fact Sonic's run slow doesn't help much. I think there's like 3 segments in this one area that's like this. Oh shit, I forgot where the switch was. Well damn. Okay. My bad.
Shouldn't you save the train before chasing after me?
I've got to get ahead and help the train.
You know what? That's gonna be my only mistake that one time. I ain't making that mistake again. Okay. Oh, there it is. Wait a minute. Why you? Well, never mind. Detonator switch.
I'd better hurry up and cross the scale. Does this conveyor-
Yeah. The bounce bracelet in this game sucks. And it slows you down considerably. Unfortunately, you needed those 2 times, and that's about it. You know what? Fuck them. Just go. Just go. Whew. That was luck. You know what? Screw them. Just go.
Yes.
From this part on, it's not so bad. Well, at least for this half of the stage anyway. Well, don't rush me.
I'll be able to move faster if I go on top of the train instead of being on the
I should have got ran over. Oh yeah, this game does defy logic to the worst of degrees.
Those enemies seem to be protecting that kid.
Come on.
I've got to defeat them first.
Well, that's the end of this half of the stage. See you in a little bit.